Here from NexoPOS Dev Team. Today we're going to see how to use the detailed report on NexoPOS. Before everything, I would like to wish you and all your family a happy new year and hope everything will be good this year for you. Okay, if you're ready, we need to go back. We need to open the dashboard actually, and then when we access to the dashboard, we will scroll down to see the the report, and then you will see a detailed report. When you open that, you will see that's basically how the detailed report look like. You have the time range that you can select. You can set when you want the report to start. Maybe you can start from now, or maybe I can start from the 1st January. And I can choose the format. You have two formats that you can choose. You have the detailed, you have the condensed report. And when you select the report, you want to select the format, the report change according to your selection. I will show you that how it's working. So in order to display the report, I will then click on display the result. Okay, so here we have basically some orders that I've made today. We can see the order code. We can see the order date, the item within this order, and you can see the different price, the sale price, and the total of this order. And when I select, let's say, condensed order, you can see we only have 4 cash orders. You can see only see the sale analysis. We have 4 cash orders, 4 cash payment orders, and we have 1 take orders. And you can see order statistic like the average orders, the item per orders, the average price per items. Okay, so when you have this when you have displayed the result, you can choose to print the receipt, to print the report, my bad. You can choose whether you want to print it as a PDF, or you can print it directly on one of your printers. So that's basically how the detailed report is working. So let me just make sure everything is working correctly. So I will try to make a new cell, and you will see whether this report is updated. So let me go back to the POS, and I would like to sell, let's say, Trier and tea Turkey. Okay, so let me sell, let's say, 3 quantities, and click on pay. Here I can use my keyboard to input the amount, let's say 40 USD. I press enter to add the payment, and I press enter once again to submit the order. Okay, so now you can see the receipt. You can print it or you can skip that. Okay, so let me go back to the report. I go back to the cell, and then I scroll down to see the report menu here, and then the detailed report. Okay, here let me try to display the result directly, and we can see this order here added at the bottom. You see the order, the date when the order has been placed. You see the order code, you see the items, and you see all the details, all the order statistic like the sale analysis, and order statistic like the average, and the sale by the admin. Okay, that's basically how it's working. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any question, if you are facing any issue using NexoPOS, you can directly contact us from Code Canyon. You can go to the comment section of the item and leave a comment directly. We will try to reply as soon as possible. You can also contact us directly from our email using contact@nexopos.com. That's basically how you can contact us. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for watching this video.